Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine. Students, this is your science book which is science fact file. Students, we are studying this chapter 1 which is science skills. Students, we have covered the topic what is science, laboratory safety, taking measurements, handling data, scientific investigation, question and answers, and also test yourself. And now we are going to cover the exercise of this chapter. As you know, we have completed the chapter 1 which is science skills. Now we are going to complete the exercise of science fact file 1. So open up your book on page number 14. I will mark the correct answer by reading the multiple choice which is mentioned here. So the first one is the three main areas of study in science are. साइंस की स्टडी की तीन अहम ब्रांचेस के नाम पूछे गए हैं. स्टूडेंट्स, वी हैव लर्न दैट देर आर थ्री मेन एरियाज ऑफ स्टडी इन साइंस विच आर बायोलॉजी, केमिस्ट्री एंड फिजिक्स. सो द राइट आंसर इज बी बिकॉज बी इंडिकेट द करेक्ट आंसर. Dear students, pencil must have in your hands and then you have circled the correct answer properly. The second one is which area of science is the study of the living world around us. Students, this is also we have learned that biology is the branch of science in which we study the living organism. So the correct answer is A, biology. The third one is why should you wear safety goggles during practical science lessons. Students, here we have learned that we wear the goggles to protect eyes from damage. So the option B indicate the correct answer which is to protect your eyes from damage. Fourth one is which of these is a measurement of length. हम लेंथ को किस में मेजर करते हैं? सेंटीमीटर, cubic centimeter, centiliter, square centimeter. The correct answer is A, centimeter. The fifth one is the volume of an object can be found by multiplying its. किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट के वॉल्यूम को मालूम करने के लिए मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं इसके you can find out the volume of the object by multiplying the length multiply by its height and multiply by its width. So this is the formula to find out the volume of any object. So option C is indicate the correct answer which is length by its width by its height. Question number 2 which is true false. Here we can write T for true and F for false. So let's start. The first one is chemistry is the study of the physical world around us. No, because physics is the study of the physical world around us. So it's a wrong option and here we write the F for false. The second one is as scientists get older they no longer have to bother about working safely. यानी जैसे जैसे साइंटिस्ट बूढ़े होते चले जाते हैं वो इस चीज़ को बॉदर नहीं करते कि हिफाजत से काम करें. नो, इट्स रॉन्ग बिकॉज हमें हर हालत में जब भी साइंस लैब में काम करना होता है हमें हिफाजत से अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट करना होता है और सेफ्टी मेजर के साथ काम करते हैं. सो दिस इज़ रॉन्ग ऑप्शन एंड वी राइट द एफ. द थर्ड वन इज़ your sense are of no use during a scientific investigation. It's false because we can use our senses of they can help us in experiment. The fourth one is the mass of an object can be found by weighing it. So it's the right option because we measure the mass by weighing balance. The fifth one is degree Celsius, centigrade and degree centigrade it's These are the same thing. Yes, degree Celsius and degree centigrade are the same things. So this option is true. Question number 3 is the diagram shows 3 different measuring cylinders scales. The question number 1 is mark 30 centimeter cube on diagram A. You can see here the volume which is given on the measuring cylinder is 0 centimeter cube to 60 centimeter cube. So there are some marks given in the center as well. Now you have to mark the 30 centimeter cube on the measuring cylinder. What are you going to do? Take the pencil in your hands and start counting from 0 to 30. 0, this is 10, this is 20 and this is 30. So there is a 30 centimeter cube. So mark it with pencil. It indicates that your measuring cylinder is filled with any liquid up to 30 centimeter cube. The second question is mark 25 centimeter cube on diagram B. Students, here you can see the measuring cylinder. The reading which is given in this measuring cylinder is 20 centimeter cube to 30 centimeter cube, and there are also marked the sum lines which is given in this center. Start counting from 20 centimeter cube to onward 30 centimeter cube. So let's start. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. Here is 25. You can mark the line on 25 centimeter cube. Third question. Mark 48 centimeter cube on diagram C. Students, you can see here in diagram C, the measuring cylinder, the volume of the measuring cylinder is 40 centimeter cube to 50 centimeter cube. Here you can also see the small marks which is given between the 40 to 50 centimeter cube. So let's start reading. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47 and 48. So here is the 48 centimeter cube. You can mark these. Students, we complete the table by revising our previous knowledge. So let's start. Here you can see 4 columns in the table and 5 rows in the tables. The first column is measurement, second one is instrument used, third one is units and then symbol. The first one is length. Which instrument which is used to measure the length is ruler or tape measure. Measure the length in meter. What is the symbol of the meter is M. In second row, students, we have instrument used, not measurement. If we recall our previous knowledge, we have learned that balance is used for weighing the mass of any object. So the unit of the mass is gram and the symbol of the gram is small g. Measurement, here is no measurement given. Instrument used, measuring cylinder. We measure the volume in measuring cylinder. So the measurement is volume and the unit of volume is cubic centimeter and the symbol of the cubic centimeter is cm cube. Measurement is temperature. The instrument which is used to measure the temperature is thermometer. The unit in which we measure the temperature is degree Celsius and degree centigrade, and the symbol is degree centigrade. Measurement is time. Instrument used to measure the time is stopwatch, and the unit in which we measure the time is seconds, and the symbol of the second is S. Question number 5 is the table shows the handspan of some students. Students, hand span is measured of distance from the tip of the thumb to the tip of the little fingers when the hand fully extended. Here you can see the hand span. Students, here you can see the two columns, which is one is hand span of the student in centimeter, which is 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 and 22. And here is the number of students, which is from 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 6, 5. So the question number 1 is present this data in the form of a bar chart. You can present this data in the form of bar chart. So students, here you can see the bar chart. We take the number of the students on a y-axis and hand span of the students in centimeter on x-axis. At 12 centimeter, there is no hand span of any student. 14 centimeter, the number of the students is 2, and at 15, the number of the students is 3, and at the 16, the number of the students is 4, and at 17 and 18, the number of the student is 6. At the 19 centimeter of the hand span is the number of the student is 7, and on 20 centimeter the number of the student is 9, and then 21 is the number of the student 6, and on the 22 centimeter the number of the student is 5. Question number 2. What is the smallest hand span? Students, here you can see that column. There is smallest reading is 12 centimeter. So the smallest hand span is 12 centimeter. Third one is, what is the most common hand span? The most common here you can see that 9 number of the students at 20 centimeter of the hand span. So the 20 centimeter is the most common hand span. The fourth one is, how many students are there in the sample? Students, you can simply add these number of the students. For example, 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and so on. You can got the 49 students. So there are 49 students in this sample. Students, today we complete the exercise of Science Fact File 1 of the chapter number 1. So I hope you understand all the questions very well. You can learn this question at home. Take care. Allah Hafiz.